In this video, I'll show you how to use GoHighLevel custom fields. I'll show you the ways I use custom fields, and hopefully you'll get the concept and you'll be able to use them the way you want to use them. And so let's get into it. First, you're going to go to integrations, okay? And so if you're someone who run Facebook ads and primarily lead form ads on Facebook, and you have questions inside your form, to be able to map the fields, okay, here. So for example, okay, I have these questions on my Facebook form. How am I gonna map the fields? To be able to do that, you'll copy the questions from the form and you'll add them to the custom fields. All right. So copy the first one, go to custom fields, and then add field, single line, next. On the name, you're gonna copy the question, and then the group, additional info, and save. Now, when you do this process and repeat it through all the questions, and so make sure to copy the second question and add it to the custom fields, and copy the third one and add it to custom fields. It's so simple. Click add field, single line, next, copy the question here, and then select the group and save. So after you add them, go and click on map fields, and then the exact same questions, search them here, and you'll be able to find them. Boom, boom, and then confirm. Okay, this way we now have the form ready. Okay, and so every time someone fills out the form, you'll be able to get their answers on GoHighLevel as well. Let me show you how I use custom fields in a workflow, for example. Boom. So whenever a new lead comes in, okay, so whenever a new lead requests my offer, the first thing I want to do is send them a confirmation text, okay? And I usually like to add their form submission in the text. And so what I would do is, thanks for requesting, here's your form submission. And the reason why this is powerful is because when you call the leads, sometimes they tell you, no, I didn't fill out this thing. So when you include their form submission in the text, they can't deny it, right? And so here's your form submission. You told me you didn't fill out the form. Here's your form submission. And so this is the first thing you want to do when you get a new lead. Right away, when they submit your form, send them a confirmation text with their form submission. Okay, so click on custom values here, and then contact, and then scroll down to custom fields. And then here you'll be able to find the same questions that you added to custom fields. I'm just going to choose any one here, but you understand the concept. You'll be able to find your custom fields here, and then you're going to choose them. And so what I usually do is, okay, I include the question here, why, or for example, reason for wanting to sell, and then their answer. And then the second one would be current target market, and then their answer. And so this is how I like to use custom fields when it comes to sending a confirmation text. Now let's go ahead and create a survey inside GoHighLevel. If I want to create a survey inside GoHighLevel, the first thing I will do is create a custom field. And so go to custom fields again and create a field and select radio select, because it's different when it comes to a survey. And here you're gonna add your question, whatever it is. Okay, now forget Facebook, because this is, this doesn't have anything to do with Facebook. This is, 100% GoHighLevel, because we're gonna create a survey inside GoHighLevel. But before we do that, we will add the questions, okay, the survey questions inside custom fields. And so click on create field, and then here add your question. Reason for wanting to sell, additional info, and then here. divorce. Then save and go to surveys. Add new survey, start from scratch, custom fields, additional info, scroll down until you find yours. Boom, here it is. So this is a radio select from custom fields that we created, and boom, this is how I use custom fields inside GoHighLevel. Make sure to join my free community. I have a free school community with 2 free courses so far. One on how to create an ad campaign from scratch that generates meetings on a daily basis, and the second one is a free snapshot, free GoHighLevel snapshot, and walkthrough videos of how to use each piece of the snapshot. And so make sure to join the free community and let's grow together, okay? There's already a couple of members in the community. You can help each other. I can help you. And if we get to 100, 200, 300 people, that would be amazing, because I think we would all be helping each other. No one would have to buy a course or, do anything fancy, because we already have a free community and we already help each other inside the community. And so, yeah, that's it. Like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.